What a pivot table is, and how it's used to filter data. A pivot table is a tool for aggregating and presenting data. In this pivot table, the revenue and cost columns from the Data tab are aggregated into month and quarter buckets. The chart provides a visual summary of performance. Right-click anywhere in the pivot table and select Show Field List. From here it's very easy to look at just the revenue, or view the quarters as columns. Creating a pivot table and chart. Begin by selecting the data. I'll use the Ctrl+Shift+Spacebar to make the selection. Click menu item Insert, followed by Pivot Chart. We're presented with the Select Fields dialog box. I'll select revenue as the summed values, the month as the axis, or rows, and the quarter as the legend, or columns. Finally, I'll format the values as dollars, and we're done. A look at the Fields dialog box and the pivot table. Place the cursor anywhere inside the pivot table and right-click the mouse, select Show Field List to access the dialog box. I begin by dragging cost into Sum of Value region. Next, I drag revenue back into the available list. This leaves me with a pivot table of cost by month, or quarter. Next, I replace cost with profit by month and quarter, by simply swapping the column names from the Sum of Value region. Attach chart to pivot table. Begin by placing the cursor anywhere inside of a pivot table, then click Insert Pivot Chart. I'll select a 3D column chart. You can click on the chart and drag it to a more desirable location.